So the next snowboard boot bag I have is this one from Gonex, okay? So this one feels a lot higher quality material, but let's start off with the top portion of the bag, okay? So with the top, how do we know which way is top? Let me get oriented first. So these are straps, okay. So this is the top portion of the bag. So for the top portion, it does open up, but what's neat about this bag is that it also has like an inner pocket. So if you can see here, you've got like this inner pocket, which is really good for your snow goggles, okay? So that's something I haven't seen before in a snowboard boot bag. So this is where your snowboard goggles are gonna go, and then this is where your helmet is gonna go. So if I place my helmet inside of here, this is a size large helmet that I'm placing inside of here. This is what it looks like so far, and so far really neat. I mean, you have a handle up here as well, and then you've got the straps. I'd say same thing. The straps on this one are pretty similar to the previous snowboard boot bag as well. But with this one here, you actually you only have like thin, what is this, like cloth straps to kind of put carabiners on. And when I snowboard or like travel, I use carabiners a lot. So these ones here are really important to me for the straps. You have a breathable mesh back just in case it kind of gets hot. Now for the inner portion, okay, you basically have the waterproof sealant just like any other snowboard boot bag. You have the spot where your snowboard boots are going to go. And then for the side pockets, I'm hoping for some side pockets. Okay, so there are no side pockets on this snowboard boot bag, but what it does have is that it's got a name tag, okay? So in case you lose this bag, sorry you can't really see it that well. In case you lose this bag, you do get a name tag that you can insert. As far as the other side goes, you do have a side axis component, which I think leads to the... Okay, so you actually do have a side axis component on this bag. So this is separate from the boot compartment. And then for the front portion, this is where you can put like a lot of miscellaneous stuff, I imagine. I probably would appreciate more if the front was actually had a pocket as well. But you have a handle in case you do want to carry it from the side as well, so that's pretty convenient. And this mesh pocket, I imagine you can put a multitude of different things, like, I don't know, like extra jackets or something. But then with that being said, I think that pretty much covers all the aspects of this bag. Let me just double check and make sure, just because it looks like you have two side pockets which are separated from the actual boot compartment, which is pretty neat. And just like the other bag, you have some straps here, which you can kind of fasten down just to make the bag even tighter. I mean, this one's pretty diverse. I just wish I had a front pocket, and I do like there to be like open side pockets on my bag just because for easy access to water, for example. But overall, it's a really nice, neat looking bag. So again, this is the one from Gonex. It's a 50 liter. But overall, I'd say very pleased with it. And with that, let's go ahead and move on to the next snowboard boot bag.